How to delete your Grab history. First, launch your application, and once you do that, you can see at the bottom, if you have logged in, you can see this activity tab right here, and here you will see all of your activities and your past activities as well. As you can see, here is no active option to delete any of these activities, so what you will have to do is contact the help and support team from the Grab. For that, you need to go to your account at the bottom right. Then you will have to go to Help Center, just scroll down, and under General, you will see the Help Center. And once you tap on Help Center, depending on your region, you will see an option to chat with a support representative. But the representative is not available always, so they have their specific time. For example, they should be available for 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. So if you are within that time, then you should be able to chat with the support representative. Otherwise, it would say that chat is offline. So once you find your option, you can ask them to delete your activity history, and they should be able to solve your problem. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on post notification so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.